Hey guys, welcome to my show, Midnight Kitchen. So today at Midnight Kitchen, we're gonna do a fast, easy iced coffee recipe. It is vegan. So just so you know, this is gonna be a really simple one. I just woke up, still in my PJs. So first off, I'm gonna start off with the ingredients will be listed below. You can use any coffee. I'm using the Meyer Donut Shop blend coffee. You can use any regular coffee. Okay. So the little cups that you put in the machine, I'm gonna use that. So over here, follow me. My coffee is already made. So just so you know, it's just regular black coffee. So that's the main ingredient, black coffee, you guys. And then I also do have this creamer, and this creamer is something else that we will need. It's almond milk. It's vegan. It's natural Bliss, and I got the hazelnut flavor. Okay. Yeah, so I really like these ones. They're also gluten-free, and then I'll just shake well before use. So I'll go ahead and shake that. Okay, so now let's give it a good shake. I also have this Reddi with non-dairy almond milk flavor one. They have different flavors. I know there's rice ones, soy ones. I don't know about soy, but this is really good. So I'm gonna use this one, the almond milk. I love almond milk, so I'm gonna stay with this one. I got it at Woodman's. At my local grocery store. I don't know where else you can get it, but that's the place I got it at. Alright, so next thing, you'll need a blender. You can use a regular blender. I have the nutribullet, well, I don't know, it's just magic bullet. Any nutribullet type of blender or a regular blender will work as well. Just make sure that it chops the ice very finely. So you will need ice too, okay? So I've plugged in my magic bullet here, and I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna take my coffee, and then I'm going to put it in here. It's gonna be really hot, so be careful. Spill a little, it's okay. And then I'm gonna take some ice and pop them in there. So this is iced coffee, you guys. Take two, they're really big. And then I'm gonna give this a good shake and put it in. So maybe like 1/4 cup. Okay, you guys. And then I'm gonna pop the lid on this one. So the blendy part. Also, if you have any like pumpkin spice flavor of this, you can use that. I don't know if they make it vegan, but if not, the spices you can use for that is cinnamon and I know like nutmeg, and then that gives you that pumpkin flavor. Or you can buy vegan pumpkin spice and then put it in your drink. And then yeah, that's good. Maybe like when you feel like most of the ice is gone, you can take it out. Okay. And then it's still warm, and this is supposed to be iced coffee. So I'm gonna just pop in some other ice cubes in there. And then it's getting too tall here. Get this other little one. Okay, leave it like that. If I had a bigger blender, I would give it one more like go at the blender here, but this is really small. So maybe like crunch up the ice a little bit and just leave it like that. But right now I'm just gonna leave it like that for purposes of it not fitting. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Reddi whip here. I'm going to, shake it really well. Happy Halloween! I think I'm running low on this too. Alright, you guys, well, you know what it would look like if it was pretty. Hey guys, so I just put a little bit of cocoa powder, and then I put it in a pumpkin, but now it's sinking. It's okay. So this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoy. It's really simple. You can make it any flavor you want. You can use like vanilla extract, peppermint extract. So just go ahead and use your imagination, and happy Halloween, you guys. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye!
At night was born to fight mythical